far away view. Almost the little puddles, but yeah, she's on there. Okay, so hey, what's up, y'all? This is the motor that's gonna be going into the Accord. So why we'll be using this motor is because it's already out. That way all I have to do is just, put the stuff on and swap the motor over. Here's why I explain why I'm just swapping the whole motor into the car. So, as you know, stock engine, stock clutch, transmission. It has a stock clutch on it. I already know it won't be able to probably handle the 400, but I don't want to add the turbo kit and then change the swap right after. That means I have to take off the turbo kit and everything. So, to avoid that process, I'm going to just order a 6-puck clutch rated for high torque and high horsepower on stock motors. I'm going to put the link in the description. But yeah, I'm going to just swap the motor in with the new clutch package and all of that. So let me take you back to the motor where I'll be mounting in the turbo and make sure everything fits. Turbo. Okay, now that I got the turbo on there, I already went ahead and installed the oil feed and the drain. So I already kind of have like a, idea of where it's gonna be. I'm gonna clock the turbo so the lines could, flow through. And I'm gonna clock it straight up. So I'll have to clock it kind of like this.